Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my October setup in my bullet journal. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Since my September setup, the newest things that I've added to this bullet journal system are tabs. These tabs are from Post-it. You can find them in my Amazon storefront. So I just have the months tabbed off, and then I wanted a quick tab to the Steelers schedule since I reference this pretty often, and then to the current week that I'm in, I wanted to have a tab for that. So looking at my September, I had 3 pages. I had my cover page, my calendar, and then my focus page. I'm just doing 2 pages. I really like the side-by-side look, and I've already started my calendar, so I'm going to continue and finish this. So the easiest thing that I found with the calendar, because I am not going to sit here and count every single square in this grid, I pretty much just eyeball the sections of how big I want it to be in between, and then I wrote the days of the week. And as you can see now, I'm going in and just putting the lines, and that is it. That is all. This Friday one probably could have been moved over one more, but it's alright for this month because my birthday lands on a Saturday. So that is fine to not have it be that way. As in, the Saturday could be bigger because I'm going to probably put happy birthday stickers. So pulling up the calendar, it comes in. So we have the 1st, and then I'm going to go ahead and just draw a line here. It's pretty big. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 15 is my day. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Is that correct? Did I map that out correctly? Yes, the 31st is a Monday. Now, similar to what I did, I'm going to go ahead and, similar to what I did with the days of the week, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the numbers, and I'm going to go all the way to that line where the numbers are, and then put the week across like that. And I'm not going to do the full thing for, well, actually, I need to do the full thing for this. I guess to give it just more of a uniform look. I was like, I'm not going to do it all the way across because then it goes into, but might as well finish it. And when in doubt, write it out. I'm so not too particular on this. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my paydays and my bills. And that's that for the kite. So I have finished the calendar. Good to go there. Now we're going to move on to the actual cover page. Here's where things are going to get a little tricky because I don't know exactly what I want to do. I have like my spreads and stuff mapped out that I want to do, and some of those I will be sharing, like my birthday spread and Halloween spread. But it's like, I don't know. So I have like this here. I have like these. I'm looking more so at the strips more than anything. And then what else do I have? Where's my birthday kit? Then I also have this kit, and then some of these. So it's like, do I want to go like birthday vibe? Do I want to go like, you know, queen bee vibe? because this one had like some queen bee-ish stuff to it. So I think I'm going to use this. So let's just see how this all comes together. We're doing this together. All right. So I'm going to take this larger piece here. These stickers you'll see again in my birthday spread. I'm going to take this larger piece here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it literally, I have no idea what I'm doing with this spread. So again, y'all, just follow along with me. So I'm gonna put this piece here. And let's see how that goes. I want it to be straight at least. I do want it to be straight. And then I'm gonna pull in some dolls that I have in my stash. So as you can see, it starts off being straight and then it leans off a little bit. I don't think this is straight. Let me figure that out. Okay, so I laid these down. When I tell you I have no idea where I'm going with this, I have no idea. This could very well be a flop. And if it is, what a month for it to be a flop. My birthday month. What a month, what a month, what a month. Okay. So I have my doll stickers. So let's see what we can pull in as far as that. So let's get some of the as you can see, a lot of these are from Capital Chic, but I do have some from Goldmine and Coco. I don't know if I want to use these. I think I might stick to like the Fall Gals. I think these might work better. So I'm gonna use the, like, dang it, these Dior ones and see what happens. Okay. Oh, wow. Good job, Lakia. Good job. All right. So let's go ahead. I really have no idea how this is gonna turn out. Like, no clue. All right. So of course we'll have to add October somewhere in between here. So we're gonna put her, and then I want to put another one, but I like this one. I really do like this. And then let's see, do I have any other large? All right, I do have another October sticker. So maybe I could just pop October down here at the bottom. Okay. I don't know if the stars are going to be cheesy. Possibly. But I'm not hating this. Not hating this at all. All right. I think I need to add another doll or something like over here. So the other Dior doll that I have is this one, but I don't feel like she's giving the vibe that I want. And then the other one is that one. But this one right here is giving me fall vibes. I just like how the yellow pops with this. So possibly something that's going to give me a little bit of a pop. So we have like a more dressed up version here. I really like this one. So I'm torn between these two. But I just keep grabbing. It's something about the hats. It's the hat moment. And I like the green of the boots, but I'm not like a huge fan of the bag. And then I like how this bag goes with that bag. So we're just gonna put this right here. I can pretty much go up as high as I want. All right. It's like, finally commit to something, Lakia. Sheesh. Okay, that's a little too high. And there we go. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And then when it comes to the tab that I'm going to be using for October. Oh, I said these were posted tabs. These are definitely not. They're Avery tabs. My bad. These are Avery tabs, but they are linked in my Amazon storefront. So I take the tab like so, and then I come over here, and I feel like I could very well add something else to this, but for right now I'm just gonna leave it alone. I want to add something over here, but I'm not sure what it could be. I don't know. So I'm gonna put October and kind of try to center it. These tabs are paper tabs. They're not like laminated, but I have a way to work around that. All right, so we have October on both sides. All right, and now I'm gonna take some tape and my scissors. Because we don't want this to come apart, right? And then I just put some on one side. Some on the other side. This is my way of laminating. Doesn't have to be huge strips. And this is just regular Scotch tape. Put some on one side. Some on the other side. And then I'm cutting around it. And that's it. I have me a laminated tab. And then let's see what else here. That's gonna be trash. That's gonna be trash. I don't even put anything back anymore when I'm planning. My double stick tape. I am using this because my tabs are more permanent. The ones that I have, my top tabs, I do not have tape on them. Just these. Oh crap, the tape got on my hands. I don't know. Alright. So now I'm just going to line September and October up. And then we're good to go. Just smooth it down and voila, the tabs are intact. And here is my October. So that is me planning in real time. I like sharing real time plan with me videos because it's like, this is me actually doing the process of putting this all together. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Don't be afraid to use different pieces and elements and think outside of the box with your planning. I don't know what I'm going to put over here if anything does end up over there. But this is the basics of my October and I'm okay with it. If anything, I may put like some like quote stickers or something, like some, honestly, I don't know. It could come together later on, but that is it. That is all. And I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let's continue this conversation in the comments. Do you still use a paper or digital planner? And be sure to check out all the information in the description box, from items to shops that I used in this spread, any items that I featured in other related videos. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Cheers to the month of October. Cheers to new goals and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.